Hi, it's Carrie with Upgraded Points. I'm here with Morgan, and today we're talking Disney Resorts Collection. And if you're coming to Disney for the winter, boy, do they have some surprises in store for you. So, Morgan, what's going to be new with the resorts if you're staying on site this winter holiday season?
One of the things I love when you stay with the Disney Resorts collection is it really nestles you in the magic. You could not be any closer to our favorite theme parks, but that's especially true during the holidays. We know that is such a special time for families and friends, and that warmth translates, of course, through our beloved cast members who take such great care of our guests, but also just the memories that you make with the dazzling Christmas trees and the unique decor at all of our resort hotels. It's just such an extra special time to come to Walt Disney World.
So, and what we've learned is that each resort is decorated, it's got its own theme for the holiday season. Do you have a favorite hotel that you love that you consider our audience might want to check out?
Absolutely. Personally, my favorite Disney Resorts Collection hotel is the Polynesian Village Resort. I really love the tropical island vibes, and of course, you can't beat that castle view with the fireworks. You can sit on the beach and actually watch Happily Ever After with that music piped into the beach. It just creates this extra special moment with your family and friends, and of course, the stellar dining.
I was gonna say, with the Dole Whip in hand, right?
Oh my goodness, you cannot beat it. There's such incredible dining. At Ohana, you have breakfast with characters. You can meet Lilo and Stitch. And then also, you can't beat that amazing, amazing Ohana buffet for lunch and dinner with those noodles, big family style feast. It just is a spectacular experience with Hawaiian tropical music piped in as well.
So, when we consider experiences of staying on site at Disney, what are some of the immersive experiences that guests can look forward to if they're staying on site at Disney Resorts Collection?
One of my favorite things about staying with the Disney Resorts collection is you get more time in the parks. So of course, you're nestled right in the heart of the magic, but that brings with you a couple other things. In certain cases, you can walk from your resort hotel to your favorite theme parks, which you can't beat. But we also have our complimentary transportation. So from our world famous monorail that can take you to Magic Kingdom and Epcot, to our Skyliner, to all of our fabulous buses and boats, there's complimentary transportation that makes getting around this property super hassle-free, and it just adds so much to the time that you get to spend in the parks. And when you're actually in the resorts, it's that cast experience that just really brings that warmth of the holiday season out for me.
And when we look forward to additional offers or incentives, why should we book this winter season? What incentives are there? What kind of offers do you have?
There are so many ways to save when you come to Walt Disney World and want to stay on property with us. So you can save up to 20% this holiday season for select rooms at select resort hotels. So make sure you visit disneyworld.com/save to learn all of those details.
Okay, and as we look ahead to next year for 2026, what can guests look forward to coming soon if we're looking to plan for spring break or summer holidays next year?
As we look ahead to 2026, there's something very exciting that we have in store when you stay on property with us. You can actually, if you have a child ages 3 to 9 and you're an adult who books a dining plan, your child ages 3 to 9 get free dining plans as well. So kids really can have a delicious deal, eat free when you're here on property with the adults. So it's a great way to get more bang for your buck here on property.
Well, and we're all about savings. We're all about really maximizing that investment in your vacation and getting the most out of it as possible. So really look forward to what Disney Resorts Collection has to offer for this season and looking ahead to next year. Thank you so much, Morgan. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.